the perceptual shift from DNA to the molecular realm of individual protein molecules. What type of molecule carries out the hereditary functions of all living cells? If you guessed DNA, you are wrong. The correct answer is proteins. Although DNA is the genetic material in which hereditary determinants are stored and transmitted from generation to generation, DNA requires proteins to interact in various ways with other molecules to actually do the work that reproduces and maintains biological organization. The key words in that trick question were carries out. DNA stores two general types of genetic determinants. One, sequences that determine amino acid sequences of specific types of protein chains, and two, regulatory sequences control the synthesis of specific proteins at particular times and in particular types of cells. Non-scientists are often unfamiliar with the extraordinary diversity, intricate structural beauty, and interactive capabilities of proteins. That is because we think about the nutrient value of bulk proteins in the food we eat. Since individual protein molecules and their interactions are too small to see with the naked eye, it is helpful to think of them as metaphorical micromachines that exist in the molecular realm of living cells. If we could magically shrink down to molecular size, board a tiny submarine, and embark on a sort of fantastic voyage, we could visualize the variety of ways that proteins interact with other molecules to carry out the variety of functions required for life. If you like, we can set out to explore the human body, the subject of the 1966 Oscar-winning movie that was later popularized in the TV series The Magic School Bus. In 1966, of course, very little was known about the inner workings of cells. In our modern-day 21st century voyage, we can draw upon the extraordinary breadth and depth of molecular and cellular knowledge made available by thousands of dedicated biological researchers. Instead of entering the bloodstream, let's imagine shrinking to an even smaller size, so that we can pass through the membranes of various cell types and enter the fluid-filled realm known as the cytoplasm. In the molecular realm of the cytoplasm, we find a crowded, busy space that is teeming with tiny molecular micromachines, of which many are specialized protein molecules. In fact, several biology researchers have teamed up with animators to create a variety of informative and entertaining animated videos, such as the Virtual Cell Collection, that make it much easier to visualize the hidden molecular realm. These highly useful videos are free and available on the internet, which makes them far more accessible both to students and the general public.